Hi, welcome to Ask Dr. Tan. This is a series where we take all your questions from the web and we try to answer them the best we can. And this week, our topic is on infertility for men. Right, so the commonest question we got was, does one abnormal semen analysis mean I am infertile? Okay, so a semen analysis basically is a report on the health of sperm. Right? You give a sperm sample to the lab gives us a report on how many sperm are in the sample, how fast they swim, how normal or abnormal they look, what is their vitality or how alive they are. Now don't forget that a semen analysis is not a measure of fertility, it's a surrogate marker of fertility. So if your sperm are plentiful and they swim fast, we can assume that you are more fertile, but that is not necessarily true, and the converse is also not necessarily true. So the interpretation of the assay can be complex. I suggest that you see a doctor familiar with this and then ask him for his opinion on your level of fertility and more importantly what you can do to improve it. The second question is it a problem if I stay for too long? Okay. So not ejaculating for an extended period of time, maybe in a layman's understanding, we'll call the so-called blue ball syndrome. We know that if you abstain for more than 10 days, the vitality and the motility of the sperm can actually start to drop. So yes, abstaining for too long might impact your fertility. And the third question is, what if I spill it during the test? Should I just scoop it up? Okay, obviously don't. That will affect the accuracy of the test. If there's spillage, please report the spillage to the collecting lab. That will be part of the report. Then there's some spillage and therefore the volume will not be very accurate. The other parameters, for example, the concentration, the motility, as well as the vitality and morphology can still be interpreted. So please don't scoop it up, just report it to the lab that you spilled it, and we still can interpret something out of it. Okay, that brings us to the end of this episode. I'll see you guys next time.